we wanted to do some sort of a conversation sessions on Azure ML different offerings and maybe show a demo such that people know what they are expecting in the later sessions. So how the later sessions that is that we'll have like two workshops. One workshop is like a shorter workshop that will actually take very specific objective of deploying an AI application, whole set of application with services, and in a best possible in the least possible time. And then it will be like more advanced concepts where we'll be deploying these things into Azure, Kubernetes or function as a service and different types of deployments. So that will be the larger workshop. Then there are specific sessions on explainable AI and deploying reinforcement learning applications on AI, which are slightly more advanced topics. And in one of these sessions, we'll also take up some of the research papers and we'll code them and how do we make start from research paper and make it cloud ready in a deployed manner. So these are like the broader sets of workshops and sessions. Not everything is possible with the meetup session. It will require like a hands-on workshop.